Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1957 Chevrolet. This is a very rare big back window, custom built Restomod truck. Killer truck, guys. 6,000 miles on a complete frame off restoration. Very, very nicely done. All steel. Truck's out of Georgia. Again, just over 6,000 miles on the truck. Love the color combination. This is grabber blue. It has a gorgeous, I think you call it camel leather interior in it. Killer stance, runs and drives outstanding. It's got an LS1 fuel injected engine in it, automatic overdrive, 4-corner coil-over suspension. Just a killer truck. All new glass, 20-inch wheels all the way around it, ZR rated rubber. It's got some custom pinstriping all around it. And beautiful truck, guys. Updated the headlights. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick, guys. This is just a gorgeous truck. And again, if you know anything about the big back windows, these are very hard to find. And it really makes a difference driving them. The big back windows, man, there's just so much more light in the cab, and when you turn over your shoulder, you can actually see out the cab. Look at that interior. Gorgeous, all leather interior, beautifully done. And again, if you've been around these things, when you got the big back window, it's very easy to look over your shoulder. I know I've got, matter of fact, my truck's sitting here behind us, and it's a small back window, and it's not quite as easy to see. New oak bed, again, custom fuel tank. Really neat truck. Again, if you get in, there's a couple little things you can nitpick, but that's all you're trying to do is just nitpick it, because this is a killer truck. Great stance. Again, it's 4-corner coilovers. It's blue truck day today. Nathan Square Body, my 66. Four-wheel disc brakes, ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Those are 20-inch Resto wheels. Man, that's a pretty truck. I'm telling you, it just jumps out. That color just pops. Again, aluminum headed LS1 EFI engine. It's got air, serpentine pulley system. It's all Mustang II front suspension with stainless tubular control arms, power rack and pinion steering. Again, power 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum radiator with electric fan. Turn the key, take it right to a show, guys. Just a killer truck. 4L60 automatic overdrive transmission. New glass. Love this interior, man. Very cool interior. Look at that. Look at that custom center console. Pretty dang cool. I guess get some wax on the seat there. It's got the square knot carpeting. Again, all leather seats. Chrome tilt, billet wheel, Dakota VHX gauge cluster. The only thing they don't have in here is a radio. So if you want a radio, they did not put a radio in it. Again, all custom center console, which is super cool. Dual exhaust. It's got a 9-inch 355 posi rear axle, 4-link rear suspension. Again, adjustable coilovers in the rear. Very nice underneath. Sorry we're not taking them down the road right now. As you can see by the barrels, we just got construction everywhere right now. It's a complete mess, so we're not actually doing the test drives down the road. We really can't get into them is the problem, and I don't need anybody, there's stone peck there. I don't need anybody getting a ticket trying to go fast down the road. Billet trim, killer truck. Love that interior. Airflow's cold, runs and drives as sweet as can be. Gauges are all functional. 6745 on your odometer. It's holding good oil pressure. And all the gauges in there are all functional. Like I say, if you want a radio, it doesn't have a radio. Got custom lighting up there in the bed, which is pretty cool. Wicked cool truck, man. Blower motor works. I don't think they got wipers on it. I don't think the wiper, I don't think they hooked up wipers. There's no wipers on the truck. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. Have a great day, guys.